In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use technical indicators on Robinhood's advanced charts on your PC. Whether you're new to trading or just looking to get the most out of Robinhood's charting features, this walkthrough will help you fully understand how to set up your charts with indicators that matter most to you. Let's get started. First, make sure you're on your computer and have the Robinhood app or website open. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the specific stock or ETF you'd like to analyze. This can be done by either searching for the asset in the search bar or by finding it in your portfolio. It's important to select the exact security you want because the indicators you add will apply to that specific chart. Once you're on the assets page, look for the chart area. On Robinhood's web version, the chart section is visually prominent, but to access the advanced charting tools, simply click anywhere within that chart area. This action opens up additional charting options and provides an expanded view where you can do more detailed analysis. Don't worry if you haven't used these advanced tools before. They're designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. Now, take a look at the chart type selection. You'll typically find options to switch between different chart styles. For a more detailed view of price action, many traders prefer the candlestick chart. But if you'd like something simpler, you can choose the line chart instead. You can toggle between these two by selecting either candlestick or line in the chart type menu. Each style has its own purpose. Candlesticks give you a more nuanced view of market movements per time period, while line charts provide a straightforward look at price trends. With your preferred chart type selected, it's time to add indicators. Look for the Indicators section or button nearby. This is where you can enhance your chart further. Click on Indicators and you'll see a list of popular technical tools such as Volume, Moving Average, often seen as MA, Exponential Moving Average, EMA, Relative Strength Index, RSI, and MACD. Feel free to select any indicators you want to use. For example, adding a moving average can help you spot trends, while RSI gives insight into whether a stock is overbought or oversold. After picking the indicators you want, you might want to fine-tune their settings. Many indicators, like moving averages, let you adjust details such as the period or length. For instance, you might prefer a 50-day MA over the default 20-day. Tweak these settings based on your trading strategy or how you like to view the market. Once you've made all your choices and adjustments, be sure to click Apply. This step is crucial because it saves your chart with all your selected indicators, making your new analysis tools visible right away. That's it. You've now customized your Robinhood Advanced chart with technical indicators, giving you powerful insights for making informed trading decisions. Happy trading, and thanks for watching.